and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can disable the data control in Photoroom. So, if you don't want Photoroom to have access to your data, this is the video how you can turn off or disable the data control in Photoroom. Go ahead and open Photoroom, which is on your phone. Now go to your content, which is on the bottom right hand corner, and tap on account. Scroll down and you can see data control. Tap on data control and you can see you can turn off this button over here by turning off improve Photoroom with my data. You can see that now Photoroom will not access your data and you have disabled the data control in Photoroom. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention this on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.